Welcome back to Ron, I'm Joe B. Today I'll show you what really happens during an Achilles tendon repair. Let's dive in. For a patient with a right Achilles rupture, as shown on the MRI, an Achilles tendon repair is necessary. The patient is brought in the operating room and placed under general anesthesia. A non-sterile tourniquet is placed on the upper right thigh. The right ankle is identified. Then a skin and subcutaneous tissue incision is made and extended appropriately. The soft tissues, medial and lateral of the Achilles tendon, were dissected for better access. The Achilles tendon is identified and assessed, and it revealed that there is a 4 cm rupture proximal to its insertion. The tendon is meticulously prepared for repair. Four sutures were placed through the proximal end of the tendon rupture. Care was taken to not shorten the tendon rupture by placing the ankle to 10 degrees of dorsiflexion. The sutures then go through the distal end of the Achilles tendon. The proximal tendon were then pulled distally to adjoin the distal aspect. After that, the suture is stabilized to the posterior heel. The soft tissues and skin are then closed in layers using absorbable sutures, and the incision site are dressed and sterilely covered. So do you want to know what happens during a rotator cuff repair? If so, then watch this next video. Thank you so much.